So in case you don't know, the Nigerian stock market did really well in the first quarter of 2026. January, February, March did really well in the stock market. And I'm sure that if you've been buying my recommended stocks since the beginning of this year, you should definitely be in good profit right now. So if you are making profit, let me know in the comment section below. So we are entering the second quarter of the year, and that means more money because dividend payments will start rolling in. And smart investors are already repositioning their portfolios for the second quarter of the year. And in this video, I'm breaking down to you the top 10 Nigerian stocks to buy for April 2026. Now, these 10 stocks I'll be giving you in this video are based on the latest market data and the earnings report of each company and the sectors we are looking into. So if you are looking for the best stocks to buy for this month of April 2026, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. And by the way, number 9 on my list just announced something massive that will definitely interest you. So please don't forget to watch up to that point because it is very, very interesting. So without wasting your time, let's go straight to the point. Now, the first stock to buy for this month is BUA Cement. Now, in case you don't know, BUA Cement is Nigeria's second largest cement producer, and they are competing head-to-head with companies like Dangote and Lafarge. Now, why should you buy this stock, or why does this stock matter to me now? Now, you see, BUA just commissioned a massive new production line, and they increased their capacity by over 3 million tons every year. So that means that they will be starting to add more capacity to their productions by 3 million tons every year, which is a lot. And with infrastructure spending wrapping up nationwide in Nigeria, demand for cement is definitely going to go up. So with the new production capacity, aggressive pricing strategy in that sector, infrastructure boom in Nigeria, and also the expansion into neighboring West African markets are all factors that can lead to growth in value of this stock. But you just need to know that this company is in intense competition with Dangote Cement and the potential for overcapacity in the market, which is a lot. So if you have interest in the infrastructure sector, you can also check out BUA Cement if you also want to invest in it. Now, the second stock to buy for this month is Unilever Nigeria, or Unilever. Now, for those that might not know, Unilever produces everyday consumer goods. So they do things like soaps, detergents, food products, and also different personal care items. Now, why should you buy this stock for this month? Now, we all know that consumer spending is actually bouncing back, and Unilever's brands are household names. They are big names that everyone wants to have in their homes. They own brands like Lux, No, and also the Blue Band brand. They own that too. And they're also investing heavily in local manufacturing, which will definitely reduce their import costs. So their growth drivers are rising consumer spending, local production expansion, strong brand loyalty, and also the new product they are launching really fast. So if you are looking to diversify your portfolio, you should definitely check this one out. I'm definitely buying this stock this month. Now, the third one to buy for this month is Total Energies Marketing Nigeria, simple as Total. Now, Total is one of Nigeria's leading fuel marketers, operating gas stations, and also lubricant businesses nationwide. Now, why should you buy this stock for this month? Now, you need to know that since the removal of the fuel subsidy by the new government, and many companies in the energy sector have now enjoyed profit from sales. And for Total Energy, they are also expanding their network of gas stations and even launching electric vehicle charging infrastructure in Nigeria. So if you want to invest in the energy sector but you want something different, I would definitely advise you invest in Total Energies, because this is something actually different from majority of the other companies in the energy sector. Now, the fourth one for this month is Fidelity Bank. Now, Fidelity Bank is a mid-tier bank that has been doing really well lately in Nigeria, and recently they reported their Q1 earnings, and their digital banking platform is also really growing fast, and their loan book is also solid. And they are also one of the few banks that are aggressively lending to small businesses, which is also driving growth for the company or for the bank. So with their digital banking expansion, lending to small and medium-sized businesses, their improved asset quality, and also the consistent profitability in their Q1 report, I think you should actually consider Fidelity Bank in your portfolio this month. And you're also looking for like an underappreciated banking stock with like very strong fundamentals, then this one is definitely the one to look out for. Now, before I go on with the video, I just want to let you all know that I just launched my Nigerian stock market guide for beginners ebook, and this book has everything you need to become a profitable stock investor even as a beginner. And if you've taken any of my courses, you definitely know that I always give out everything you need in my courses. I don't keep anything, I give out everything. And in this ebook, there are 13 chapters. You will learn the history of the Nigerian stock market, how to pick good stocks to buy every month, how to analyze a stock to decide whether to buy it or not. You also learn how to build your first 1 million stock portfolio, no matter your income right now. And there are also still more things in the ebook. Now, if you are getting this ebook right now, you can get it for 50% discount. Yes, half of the price. So if you want to get it, the link will be in the description below, or I'll pin the link in the comment section of this video. Now let's get back into the video. Now the fifth stock for this month is Guinness Nigeria, or just Guinness. Now if you guys remember, I mentioned this stock in February of this year, and it is back on my list for this month. Now in case you don't know, Guinness makes some of Nigeria's favorite drinks like Guinness Stout, Malta Guinness, and many more. And like I said the last time I mentioned it, I said that they have been looking to target the younger generation with different products that they are now creating. And they also just launched a major marketing campaign targeting Gen Zs with new flavored malt drinks. And they have been doing so well in that aspect. And the market is really huge in Nigeria. People will always want to get something to drink every single day. So the demand is there, and Guinness has also increased its production capacity. So you can definitely check out the stock for this month if you didn't buy it 2 months ago when I mentioned it. Now the sixth one for this month is Okomu Oil Palm. Now Okomu is one of Nigeria's largest and most efficient palm oil producers. Now why is this one on my list for this month? Because it is very interesting. Now the first thing you need to understand is that global palm oil prices are now going up. They are rising, and Okomu's plantations are now eating peak productivity, which means that they are producing a lot. And I also just found out that they also pay consistent dividends, which makes it better for investors in the stock market. So that means that you can now make more money through growth and dividend income with this stock. So with the rising palm oil prices and plantation maturity and strong dividends track record of this company, I will advise that you definitely check out this company for this month. Now the seventh stock to buy for this month is Jais Bank. Now some of you might not know this bank because not a lot of people actually know it. Now, Jais Bank is Nigeria's first full-fledged non-interest Islamic bank. Now, there's a massive underserved market of Nigerians who actually want Sharia-compliant banking. Now, Jais is actually growing fast. They are also expanding their branches, and their data platform has been gaining traction recently. So many people are now going on the platform right now, and it's actually going up in value. And this is actually an untapped market of Islamic banking sectors. They're also having branch network expansion, like I said earlier. They have digital banking growth and increased financial inclusion. So all of these things are growth drivers for this stock. And even recently, the stock had a major uptrend, and it did really well in profits. And this is something for people who want to start investing early and they want to hold their stock for a long time. So this is definitely one of the stocks you should definitely check out this month. Now, number 8 for this month is Sunu Assurances Nigeria. Now, Sunu is an insurance company that is offering life, health, and general insurance products. Now, why should you actually add this stock to your portfolio this month? Now, insurance penetration in Nigeria is still extremely low, actually less than 1% of Nigeria's GDP, which is actually really low. And as the middle class continues to grow, more people will actually want to buy into insurance for the first time. And Sunu is actually well positioned to capture this growth with competitive products and even digital distribution. So if you are someone who is a long-term growth investor who wants maybe exposure to massively under-penetrated sector, then this one is for you, because not a lot of people are actually investing in this one. Now, number 9 for this month, which some of you have been looking forward to, is MTN Nigeria. Yes, MTN Nigeria. Now, what is this announcement they made recently? Now, in case you don't know, MTN just announced a partnership with a major fintech company to launch a full-scale digital bank. Now, this one is not just mobile money, it is actual banking. Now, what does this mean, or how will this actually change everything for MTN investors? Now, you see, MTN has over 77 million subscribers. So even if 10% of their users or their subscribers actually use the digital bank, that's a massive new revenue stream for the company. So with the digital banking launch, they are their 5G expansion, mobile money growth, the data consumption explosion, and subscriber base expansion, I think MTN stock will actually continue to do well. Now, number 10 for this month is Zenith Bank. Now, in case you don't know, Zenith Bank also announced a major acquisition of a fintech startup, and they also launched an AI-powered lending platform that approves loans in under 5 minutes. To be honest, this is game-changing for Zenith Bank. So you see that Zenith Bank has combined everything. They have solid fundamentals, they have consistent dividends, they're actually very good, they have digital innovation, and now they are leaning into AI and fintech. So they're actually not like a bank anymore, they are becoming a financial technology powerhouse. So if you're a growth investor or maybe a dividend investor, a long-term holder, then Zenith Bank is definitely one you need to check out this month. So there you have it. These are my top 10 Nigerian stocks to buy for April 2026. So please, I want to know which of these stocks you want to buy for this month. Please let me know in the comment section below. And if you have anything to say about any of these stocks I've talked about, please feel free to drop your comment in the comment section below. And if you learned something new from this video, don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We are trying to hit 10,000 subscribers very soon. And don't forget, if you want to get my Nigerian stock market guide for beginners ebook, the link will be in the description below, or you check the pinned comment of this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.